Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you can see, we have a pawpaw tree here, and this pawpaw tree has been serving us for a very long time. So we have another pawpaw that is coming up. In fact, that pawpaw has started getting ripe. So as you can see, this we always use ladder to climb it, and is about over 30 feet high. So even with the ladder, I can't easily get our pawpaw fruit there. So I want to show you how to bring down a very tall pawpaw tree, okay? Because soon we'll be going into rainy season where the winds will be very high, and I don't want a situation whereby the tree may fall down or destroy something that won't be pleasant. So I'm going to bring down this pawpaw tree in a way that it will not affect anything that we do not want, okay? So follow me. First of all, I'm going to climb the tree. I'm going to climb the ladder rather. I want to tie this. I want to take this rope to the highest I can. I'm going to start the cutting.
Phil.
So I want the pawpaw to fall to this side. So, beautiful people, I'll be pulling down the pawpaw. Please stay here because it will fall.
Glad.
Yeah, the ladder. Let me remove the ladder. Let the ladder be there. It's not going to. As you can see, that one, it has ripe. Yes, I know. We'll get other pawpaw from here. Don't worry. There's another ripe one, sir. Alright? Yes, I know. Oh, our two pawpaw. So, beautiful people. The rest, go and keep this one. So, now it is easy to bring down the rest. This one is not as difficult. Yes, let me remove the ladder first. So without destroying anything, it just fell to the part we want it to fall.
Mommy, the father.
This one, Manela, move back. Don't go there. Wow. So let me cut this one more. Or shall we leave it? Take a feel it. This pawpaw has been serving us for more than 2 years. We are cutting it because we have another one that has started serving us, and this is too tall. even with the ladder. And with my height, we find it difficult to get a pawpaw from there. So, thank you for watching. We'll clean up this place. Let me show you our new pawpaw. Okay? Follow me. Manuela. Our new pawpaw. Okay, even as you could see, this one is ripe. It's ripe. We have one here. If you have to plug this. Let's plug this. I'll first start plugging this pawpaw. Oh, there's even more than one. Let me use this plug. You can see the pawpaw is ripe, so we'll be eating this one gradually. Manuela, let's take this one. Take it inside there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share. If you have not watched Manuela, come. Thank you for watching. Manuela, come here. What? Thank you for watching. If you have not watched our videos where we use pawpaw to do pawpaw sauce, you know, we have it. Go and watch it. It's on our YouTube channel. We've done a lot of pawpaw. We use it to prepare soup. Okay, go and watch it. So even this one too is also ripe. So this is why I said we have new pawpaw. Let me fluff it. See, it's also ripe, but it's small. It's because it's dry season. The rain has not started falling. So when it starts falling, more bigger fruit will come up. Okay, Manuela, oh yeah, take it inside. We'll eat it, eh? Say bye bye. Tell viewers bye bye.
Bye bye.
Subscribe. See you in our next video. Mwah.